Greetings, greetings. It's the White Wolf Mother here. Uh, yeah, Earth's frequency 7.83. Let's get into it. Because this is definitely, yeah, mass deception, the food we eat, all the music we listen to, all that. Schumann resonance natural frequency of 7.83 hertz. Schumann resonance is the natural heartbeat rhythm of Earth. Just like we got a heartbeat, of course the Earth has a heartbeat. Our heartbeat is supposed to match hers. It is generated and excited by lightning discharges in the cavity formed by the Earth's surface and the ionosphere. Why does our body need Schumann resonance? To maintain health. Right there. Right there. So imagine if everybody was vibrating on the same frequency of Earth, of Mother Earth. There would be no more sickness. Well, upon getting rid of the things that make us sick. When tuning into 7.83 hertz, people can experience benefits like body rejuvenation, enhanced memory, and improved stress tolerance. Schumann resonance is also an alpha theta brainwave frequency in the human brain. We're made up of the same frequency, stardust, everything that the Earth universe is made up of. Everything. When your brains are tuned to the alpha theta brainwave frequency, the relaxed, dreamy, sleepy state appears. The cell regeneration and healing happens, bringing us to the tip of the creativity iceberg. And we all know that this is what they don't want. Low vibrational people don't want. Putting out the fast food, putting out the music. If everybody was on the same page, this is being on the same page. And this is what the disagreeable, this is what they don't want. Because see, if this happens, then it'll burn them up. It'll burn them up. They can't handle this frequency. The lower vibrational entities, the disagreeable ones, they can't handle this frequency. That's why they try so hard to disrupt it, distort it, knock it out, putting up towers, disrupting our frequency. This is our natural frequency. Vibrating at this natural frequency. And what you think gonna happen if we're not vibrating? Yeah. It's just as simple as that. This is detrimental. Match a blunt, match a bag, match a Prada purse, match a Lexus, match a Cadillac, match this frequency. Because that's the problem. Some people are born naturally matched. Naturally matched. And those are the ones that's here to spread this message so everybody can get on the same page. Being on the same page as Mother Earth. Being on the same page as her. That's the goal. Matching her frequency. Sharing the love. Yes, sharing the love between us and her. Being one with her. Being grounded. Then she gives us herbs and oils and all kinds of stuff for us to use to heal so we can match her. I'm recording. Yeah, so that's basically what it is, being on the same page. Being on the same page as Mother Earth, you know what I mean? That's why they put all this negative food out, negative music, disturbing our brain waves, our natural frequency of our heart beating at the same frequency as the earth. This, yeah, is do or die. Either you gonna, you gotta raise your frequency. Raise your frequency. Because the earth's frequency, she's gonna heal herself and she's gonna be vibrating high. She's gonna be vibrating high. And whoever ain't vibrating with her on the same frequency, it's not a joke. This is not a game. I'm just here to give the message. A lot of work needs to be done. I know I got a lot of work to do. And this is one of them. This is definitely one of them. I'm hearing it's like charging a battery. I'm hearing it's like charging, tuning up, recharge. You tune into this frequency, you tune into the earth's frequency, you're tuning up, you're recharging yourself, you're recharging your battery, your solar, the solar plexus, the heart, willpower. Then you could work on, you gotta have the willpower before anything to work on anything else. Everything, hand in hand. Everything goes hand in hand. Yes, thank you, Spirit. But I just wanted to come through to share this little information with y'all. Well, big information, because this is detrimental. And we can all read it together and go in together on it. So I would love to hear y'all thoughts and comments on this. Getting on the same page. Doing what we gotta do. I'm gonna lay the phone down now. Yeah, this is detrimental. A lot of people, many are called, few are chosen. The people that's called to do this. Raising the frequency. There's those on the front line raising their frequency. That's maintaining that vibration for others. Grand. Yeah, I'm hearing grand. This is big, yeah. It'd be beautiful to see everyone in a happy place instead of the sunken place. Thank you, oh Spirit, I know. Oh, did y'all just hear that? The happy place instead of the sunken place. Yeah, because that's all the disagreeable. That's all they want is for the earth to descend into this phantom matrix. And it's not going to happen. They want this shit to descend so because they can't travel the universe like we can. Now I'm talking to the star seeds now. They can't travel. They don't have no soul. They can't travel the way we can. They don't have the keys. So they're trying to take our keys away. So we can't travel the stars. So we can't get back home. They don't want us tuning up. Getting back home mentally, spiritually. Meaning doing what you came here to do. Going back home as in becoming your original self again. When I say go back home, I mean, yeah, going back to your original self, living how we're supposed to be living here. And then some of us may actually go home. You know? Some of us are only here for a time. For this special time. But anyway. Oh goodness. I know, Spirit. Spirit was going in on that earlier about those that don't belong here. Oh my goodness. Those that don't belong here. Gotta go. Gotta go. Those that don't belong here, they gotta go. Because they're the ones that's not trying to be on the same page. Everything's gonna go back to its original. It has to. There's no other way. There's a lot of entities here, a lot of beings here, people here that they know they don't belong here. And they want to keep this shit going. It's not right, and it's not fair, and it's not just. But yeah. Everybody getting on the same page. Oh yeah, still keeping your individuality, of course. Yeah. But yeah, being on the same page is helping each other getting to where we're supposed to be. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to come on and go in on the Earth resonance frequency. I hope you guys dive more into it. Yeah. I posted one of my favorite ones. I went through a couple of them. I posted that one. I hope y'all enjoy it. On my Facebook page, I posted one of them. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. Go through, find some that you like. Stay focused. Love y'all. Talk to you soon.